Hey, welcome to Tax Lens. Thank you for coming to find out how you can have an unfair advantage in tax automation. With tax services that you are already providing for your clients, now you can do them in a fraction of the time and increase your revenue without hiring additional employees. And let me give you a little bit of a backstory behind Tax Lens, how this all started. About 25 years ago, the genius who created this technology, he created this AI system way before anyone even knew what AI was, and this has only been used for government agencies to solve complex problems, and not only U.S. government agencies, but other governments around the world. This is a very powerful technology, and it is created from the ground up, not using any other existing LLMs like ChatGPT or anything like that. It's its own system, it's unique, and it is incredibly powerful. So I feel very lucky for us to be able to partner with the individual who created the system, and we are able to give you access to some of the powerful automation tools inside of Tax Lens. Let me give you a little bit of a story on how this technology has been used. This technology was used to improve and optimize the portfolios of high net worth family offices that have assets under management anywhere from the hundreds of millions into the billions. So what we did was we did a test with 100 family offices, and the cost to do business, to have access, 1 year of access to this AI, was a minimum of $1 million. Now we have the contract to prove it. The minimum was $1 million to have a 1 year access to Tax Lens. And in every case, with all 100 family offices, the AI technology far exceeded expectations. It worked every single time with every family office. So this technology is incredibly powerful. Now, of course, you're not going to have to pay $1 million to have access to the Tax Lens platform. We'll share the pricing in just a few minutes, but you'll see that it is much more affordable than you are thinking. So introducing Tax Lens. One of the main tools inside of Tax Lens is a review engine. Taxes can be analyzed for any missing credits or any kind of mistakes. And there's several ways that you can use this, not only for just checking your own work, but also for getting new clients. So let's talk about the Amendment Finder tool. How it's used is you can take the last 5 years of tax returns of 1040s of a client, upload them into the system. They just need to be a PDF. And in a matter of 20 minutes, the AI will scan the tax returns. It scans for errors and missing credits, tax savings opportunities, refundable credit analysis, and it triple checks everything. There are around 20 AI agents that know the full tax code, and they will scan for any opportunities. If a client does qualify for an amendment, all you would do is click a button and the AI will fill out the 1040X automatically in a matter of just a couple of minutes, with explanations as well. So in a matter of around 20 minutes, you can have 5 years of taxes completely amended. Then all you would have to do is download the 1040X with the explanations, sign it, and file it. Besides the Amendment Finder tool, there are over 40 other powerful AI tools inside of Tax Lens. If you have clients that are business owners, there are a lot of tools that you can use to help them to save and find and recover money in their businesses. So the tax projection tool is a look forward. If you have a client who is wanting to know how much in taxes they're going to owe, then you can go into the tax projection tool and you can fill out the current revenue, income, expenses information, and you will get a nice report of the state and federal taxes estimate that will be owed. The tax projection tool can handle up to 20 K1s, so you can provide this service as a look forward. Tax Lens has enterprise grade security. It's SOC 2 compliant, 256-bit encryption, and the highest level of security. The servers are in the United States, so it has bank level security, so you can feel safe about uploading any data into Tax Lens. You can expand your service offerings as well. There are additional services that you can offer just from the powerful AI tools inside of TaxLens. There is a succession planning tax tool, insurance premium audits. You can save money doing an audit for your clients. Telecom and utilities audit. This would be more for a medium-sized business. You can audit up to the last 36 months of monthly statements. Freight and shipping optimization, vendor overpayment audits. There's so many different tools that you can use to help your clients to save money and add some revenue streams to your CPA office. You can be a hero to your clients, increase your revenue, and have more time for family. This is built on a multi-billion-dollar framework, and with our tech stack, we're able to automate any tax service. To access TaxLens, the pricing is only $200 a month. We're so confident that you'll love TaxLens that we're letting you try it out. You can have access to try out TaxLens for free. You can get a 7-day trial. This is available to everyone right now during our launch phase for the first 5,000 customers. How this works is inside of TaxLens during your 7-day trial, you get 50 free credits. So if you're going to do an amendment finder scan, that would be 10 credits. So you can do 5 scans. Generating an amendment, so a 1040X would be 15 credits. The tax projection tool would be 5 credits. All of that information is inside the TaxLens platform. After your 7-day free trial is up, then your account is charged $200 and you get 225 credits to use. So you can use those tools. If you use more than the 225 credits, then you can purchase additional credits at any time. The more credits that you purchase, the lower the cost. Your employees can use this as well, and everyone can be doing tax scans using the tools to increase revenue for your CPA firm. In our phase 1 launch, for a limited time, only the first 5,000 members will be able to lock in prices at $200 a month. The price will increase after phase 1. It will go up to $997 a month. So lock in your $200 a month cost right now. If you sign up right now in the first 5,000 members, you'll be able to stay at that $200 a month price point. Getting started is simple. All you need to do is click on the Get Started button below, enter your email and your password, and click the sign up button. You'll receive an email verification. So you'll get an OTP code sent to your email. Enter the code and you'll be logged in right away. And then you'll be able to click on a button where you enter your payment information to start your 7-day free trial. After the 7 days is done, then you'll automatically be charged the $200 and you can continue using TaxLens. You'll have all the credits that you need, purchase credits at any time as you're using all of the tools. As you increase your usage, your employees can use TaxLens. Use it to grow your CPA practice. Now's the time to sign up for your 7-day trial. You can also ask any questions that you have. We're excited to be able to work with you and how you can grow and be productive and efficient and increase the bottom line in your CPA practice. If you would like me to walk you through on how to sign up, just ask me what is the next step and I can guide you through.